Again, many suggestions. I'm not saying the suggestion I'm giving is the best one. It's just the one that I would like to take in this particular problem. So I'll take the first equation, and I'm going to solve it for xy. And what would you get? You get xy equals 11 minus x minus y. Then what I would do is I would square both sides of that. And if you did that, I want to point out what you're going to get. You can get xy, certainly square square, and then you get 11. I'm going to write this as minus x plus y squared. And there's a point to it. X squared, y squared, 121, right? And then you're going to get what? Minus 22 x plus y plus x plus y quantity squared. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in here, make a substitution now. So you get x plus y squared, and x squared, y squared is going to be equal to 121. Let's see, minus 22, x plus y, plus x plus y squared. I just plugged in the x squared, y squared equals 61. All right, what I'm going to do now, probably rearrange it, and you get 2 x plus y squared minus 22 x plus y. And then what do you get? I'm going to take 61 from both sides, so you can get plus 60 now. To make life easier for me, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and you get this, x plus y squared minus 11 x plus y plus 30 equals 0. I'm going to try to factor that, and it looks like x plus y, and let's see, I want a product to be 30, but the sum to be minus 11. So I'm going to say 6 and 5. Well, lo and behold, I get something pretty simple. What do I get? I got x plus y is equal to 5. And the other equation I get is x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, so these are two different answers now. So someone says, what are you going to do with that? I have to work with those two answers, by the way. By the way, those things, there's different x's, different y's that satisfy that. So I really have two different solutions to the problem. I just don't know what the various x's are and the various y's are. So I got to go back to the original equation now. So I'm going to look at one of them, and I'm going to look at this one here. And I see x plus y, and that's equal to 5. I'm going to do this one first. And let me write that down for you. So x plus y is 5. Again, we're doing this one first. And then I get x times y. Well, I'm going to write it as x times, let's see, 5 minus, this is what y is, by the way, 5 minus x. And that equals 11. All right? I got to solve that equation. And again, we're working with this guy here now. We'll work with the other guy later. What do you get there? Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to erase those distractions now. Let's see. I think I can erase these distractions too. Gives me a little extra room to work on it. All right, so let's write this down. And you're going to get 5 plus 5x minus 5x squared equals 11. Let's see. 5x squared minus 5x, and then it's going to be plus 6 equals 0. Let's see if we can factor that. And that's going to be 0. 5x and x. Let's see. Now it's going to require something like a quadratic formula. Let me try the other one, and I'll come back to this. All right, I'll come back to that later. I'm going to try this guy. Oops. And let's give it a shot. And what do you get over here? Let's put it down. Again, I'm plugging it into the first equation. X plus y is 6. Plus xy, well, that's going to be x times 6 minus x equals 11. What do you get here? 6 plus 6x minus x squared equals 11. Do you get x squared? I see my error in the other one. I'll correct that in a moment. And I just see it now. And this is what's wrong over here. I'll go back to that later though. So x squared, let's see, minus 6x, and then plus 5 equals 0. And what do you get there? Let's see, you get x and x, 5 and 1, minus minus. So x equals 1 or x equals 5. Again, remember we're using this over here. So I got an ordered pair solution, 1. Again, we're using this one over here. So that means 5. What's the other one going to be? 5, 1. Let me go to the other one. By the way, we'll come back to this later, but I'm committing this as an answer now. All right, let me go to the other one. And again, I made a mistake and I just saw what I did before. This is 5 plus 5x. I said minus 5x squared, but it's actually minus x squared. I had 5 in my brain. So what do you get over here? Let's write this down. 0. X squared minus 5x. Let's see, plus 6. And this is going to be 0. X and x, 2 and 3. X equals 2, or x equals 3. Again, we're using this guy. And what would you get over there for points? Well, again, x plus y has to be 5. So 2, 3. And the other answer we get is going to be 3, 2. All right? So I'll put a box in this one as well. I'm committing to those answers. Let's just see how we did. All right? Let's go back to my red pen. I want to see if I got those answers. 1, 5. 5, 1. 3, 2. And 2, 3. I would also like to take a look at the picture. And there's a point to this picture over here. A lot of times people look at this and they say, gee, that intersects a lot of different points. But it's only 4 points of intersection. All right? And what I think I need to do over here is I think I need to post a video. And the video I'm going to post is me zooming into these various areas over here. All right? So I'll post a video of that, and I'll attach it to this document for you to look at that. But again, we got to the end. Did I get the points of intersection I was expecting to get? I sure did. What are those going to be? 5, 1. This one over here is 1, 5. This over here is 3, 2. This point over here is 2, 3. All right? And again, I'll zoom into these regions over here, showing that the curve really doesn't touch there. However, it does look like it's touching all the time. It's just not touching there. All right? So again, I'll post that video a little bit later. Thank you.